The pomegranate is a superfood with amazing health benefits. The pomegranate is a fleshy berry and a great source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and potassium. Many studies in humans indicate that pomegranates are an excellent defense against several diseases. They also contain a precursor to a powerful anti-aging molecule called urolithin A. In this tutorial, I will explain the additional insane benefits of this colorful fruit, why it is necessary for your health, and how to uncover these beautiful seeds. So, very quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria, and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online, where I share, teach everything to do with health, wellness, beauty care, some trips in a balanced way. Give me comments below. And if you do not agree with me, please do it respectfully. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider it. Click the notification bell so you will not miss any of my educational tutorials. That means a world to me. Today, I will explain 12 major benefits of this pomegranate fruit. There are many more, but I will bring to you 12 key points. We're going to start analyzing this magnificent fruit. So first of all, I like to choose the fruit that are a little bit darker in color, and the fruit is somewhat irregular. It's kind of squarish, not particularly round, because if it's completely round, it's not ready to be opened up. And also, if you do a little bit of scratching like this, nothing comes off. The area that you want to open up is not from the back, is from the front. It's easier. This is where the bloom was, or the flower, before the pomegranate became a fruit. Number one, your stress level will decrease. A research team at the UK Queen's Margaret University discovered that pomegranate juice works wonders for lowering the stress hormone called cortisol. The research also proved that pomegranate has a great effect on heart health, since a lot of cardiovascular problems are connected to cortisol one way or another. This colorful fruit will totally transform your mind and your body. Number two, it slows down the aging process. To understand why urolithin A slows down the aging process, we need to look how our muscles ages, how it works. 90% of our energy stems from a microscopic structure in our cells called mitochondria. The cells in our body contains billions of tiny little mitochondria. You can think of them as mini batteries. Our bodies need to repair and sometimes replace defective, damaged, and old mitochondria for our body to work well. When mitochondria are damaged or defective, they self-destruct through a process called mitophagy. And once this happens, our cells make brand new mitochondria. During this process, dysfunctional and toxic elements in our cells are recycled or eliminated. When we are younger, the mitophagy process happens more often. But when this process of mitophagy slows down, toxins may not be recycled or removed from our body fast enough. This makes our body cells age faster, including our muscles, our brain, and everything. Studies on humans and animals, or all different kinds of mammals, reveal that in elderly, walking slower and poor muscle strength is associated with poor mitochondrial function. So what can we do? Maintaining a regular exercise regime triggers the production of new mitochondria and boosts the energy in the skeletal muscle cells when we age. So if you can get around yourself a little weight or two and do some exercising, some bells and some squats. So, and if you are a person that sits a lot, try to figure out a way that you can stand up while you're on your computer and exercise, or go for a quick walk. It's very simple to do that. You basically have to, like on your lunch hour, on your break, take a moment and do your steps. But we don't have to wait until we get old to start eating pomegranates. In conjunction to pomegranates, to activate and regenerate your mitochondria, take the NRF2 activators, supplementation, and the NRF2 to neutralize the oxidative stress in the body caused by free radical damage. Additional information is found in the description box. Number 3. Improve digestion. Our gut is a collection of digestive organs that includes the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the colon, and all the glands that work together with these parts of the gastrointestinal. There are 100 trillion bacteria in our digestive system. Having a diverse range of good bacteria in our gut is extremely healthy, and they are collectively known as a gut microbiome. Our gut microbiome regulates our immunity, prevents inflammation, fights against diseases, produces important vitamins, help our body absorb nutrients from our food, and regulates essential hormones. Not only that, but good gut health also affects our sleep, memory, moods, and mental health. When digested, pomegranates act as a prebiotic. After digesting a pomegranate, some break down products such as gallic acid, ellagic acid, and glucose. Bacteria in the colon then converts that into something called urolithin A. So, these natural substances keep our gut microbiome or flora healthy, similar to a prebiotic. Prebiotics are fiber-rich plant foods that promote the growth of good bacteria in our gut. Urolithin A promotes the growth of good bacteria like the bifidobacteria and the lactobacilli, while suppressing harmful bacteria like the Clostridia. Remember that also include a good probiotic in your diet, and drink kefir and kombucha. All these are so important for your gut. Number 4, you will have no more joint pains. This fruit is a source of crucial antioxidants called flavonols that act as an anti-inflammatory agent to reduce the swelling that causes joint pain in the first place. Number 5, your hair will grow faster. Pomegranates contain a very important element called punicic acid. The best of its effect is in the ability to enhance circulation and consequently improve the blood flow to the scalp. This process strengthens your healthy follicle, making your hair look stronger, healthier, and shinier. Number 6, your blood pressure will stabilize. A daily intake of about 5 ounces of pomegranate juice can reduce blood pressure levels in a couple of weeks. When you purchase juices, be very careful that they are organic and they have no sugar included or added to the juice. Number 7, your system will be protected from cancer. Now, you cannot only eat one pomegranate once a year. You will need to have at least 2 or 3 pomegranates per week. And pomegranate extract slows down the production of prostate cancer cells and significantly reduces the growth of breast cancer cells. So get into a habit to have this fruit daily if possible. Your teeth will be healthier. Pomegranate fruit has an impressive antibacterial and antifungal properties that can really benefit your teeth in the best way possible. Its juice inhibits the plaque buildup and fights any possible infections and inflammation of the mouth. Your exercise performance will be top-notch. If you go to the gym regularly, you know that good and stable exercise performance takes time, patience, and dedication. However, if you want to get to your desired results quicker, pomegranate juice can help you with that. Just an ounce of juice before a workout boosts the blood flow and decreases fatigue. Now, I'm not saying that you're just going to have your ounce and then you're just going to the gym and sit around. You do still have to work out, but it will just help you with the process. Number 10. This is really, really cool. Your skin condition will improve. You will see fewer bumps in the skin, less irritation. Pomegranate juice help fight inflammation, and guess what? Acne or any kind of chronic disease is an inflammation. What's great about this is that it works both from the inside and out. What can you do? You can splash some pomegranate juice on your face. Then you can rinse it after a few minutes. If you have a pimple, you can get a Q-tip and put it right onto the blemish. That will help heal the process. It will help to heal the skin much faster. If you have dry skin, this fruit will also help you since it's very, very high in vitamin C. Vitamin C will strengthen your collagen of your skin, and it will help to treat your dull and overly dry skin. And also what it does, it neutralizes any free radical damage effect on your skin. Number 11, you will lose weight. Among other things, pomegranates are also a great diet food that should be on your menu if you want to lose a couple of pounds. They are very high in fiber and low in calories. So you can eat a pomegranate a day, and what it does, it helps with the microbiome. It gives you roughage. It helps you to eliminate. It is an amazing fruit to lose weight. Number 12. This is very awesome, especially for students. Improve your memory. A daily dose of 8 ounces of juice will improve your verbal and visual memory. A study from the psychology department of Loma Linda University in California found pomegranate very effective in fighting Alzheimer's disease. Okay, with a sharp knife, I'm going to start opening it up. The process is very simple. So first you want to do the cap here. Okay, it's very juicy, and you want gently to pull. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is the first cap. Look how beautiful it is. And afterwards you see the little grooves here. Okay, and that's where you want to cut through. Take your time because you don't want to cut right through the skin here. Just want to do like a little bit of an incision. Oh my goodness, this is such a juicy fruit. Wow. Okay, there you go. Gently, gently. Careful you don't cut yourself. That's a mom in me talking. So once you have made these incisions, I like to do this in the water. Now I know that a lot of individuals will open it up and they start banging at the fruit, and that's okay too. And take your time. Okay. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, I'll open up this one here. Look at this. And I like to take this cap off here, that center. This part here holds everything together. Okay, so let's open up this. Let's take this out there. There we go. Look at this. Magnificent. Prefer to go in the water and gently, look how they easily comes off. Look at that. Very simple. And you're not breaking the seeds. And this takes only a couple of minutes. Doesn't take very long. You see, they're coming off nicely. The reason I like it this way is because it doesn't become messy. You don't have red stuff all over your counter. Okay, so after a couple of minutes, all the seeds are gone, and you can throw this away, or you can let it dehydrate. Then you put it in the blender when it's dry, mix it with some honey and natural yogurt, and it's an amazing mask. So that's what I'll do next time. You can see here all the beautiful seeds, but you also notice some of the, here we go, some of the center parts. This part here, you just want to take them out, and that's why I like to do this with water, because it's much easier to pick this white membrane out. Intake a dose of pomegranate in the morning at empty stomach for best results. Are you convinced about the benefits and to make pomegranate part of your daily diet? I hope so. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Until the next time, take care.